As the world of luxury evolves and continues to amaze us, a few notable individuals continue to astound us with their extravagant lifestyles. Kim Kardashian is one such individual whose impact, fame, and fortune have only grown over the years. In today's video, we'll take a look at Kim Kardashian's lavish life in 2023, including her mind-blowing net worth, private jet, automobile collection, and luxurious mansion. Welcome to Luxury of the Day, inspiring you to unlock your billionaire potential. If you're ready to join the world of opulence and extravagance, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll uncover the secrets behind Kim Kardashian's extravagant lifestyle, giving you an exclusive look at the luxuries this global icon enjoys every day. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss a moment of the high life. Now, let's dive into the world of Kim Kardashian. Kimberly Noel Kardashian, born on October 21, 1980 in Los Angeles, California, Kim first gained fame as a friend and stylist to Paris Hilton. However, it wasn't long before she became a household name thanks to the widely popular reality TV show Keeping Up with the Kardashians. Over the years, Kim has transformed herself into a powerful entrepreneur, launching successful ventures like KKW Beauty, Skims, and her mobile game, Kim Kardashian Hollywood. As a mother of four and a law student, Kim's journey has been nothing short of inspiring, and her current luxurious lifestyle is truly a testament to her hard work and dedication. Kim Kardashian has come a long way since her rise to fame in the mid-2000s. Today, she is a successful businesswoman, reality TV star, social media influencer, and an undeniable icon in pop culture. With her various ventures, Kim has amassed an astounding net worth of approximately $1.8 billion as of 2023. In 2023, Kim Kardashian's business empire continues to flourish, reaching global audiences and diversifying her brand. Skims, her renowned shapewear and loungewear line, is celebrated for its comfort, functionality, and size inclusivity. The brand has broadened its offerings to encompass swimwear, activewear, and sleepwear, further entrenching its place in the market. Meanwhile, KKW Beauty, once known for its extensive shade range and opulent packaging, has since evolved into Skin by Kim after venturing into skincare in 2022. Catering to a variety of skin types and concerns, Skin by Kim has rapidly gained prominence in the beauty industry. Kim's entrepreneurial spirit is also evident in her other ventures, such as her popular mobile game Kim Kardashian Hollywood and the KKW fragrance line. The latter, which offers a diverse selection of scents tailored to different tastes and occasions, has been on hiatus for some time, leaving fans eager for its return. With Kim Kardashian at the helm, these thriving businesses showcase her talent for creating successful, innovative, and appealing products that resonate with consumers worldwide. Kim Kardashian's car collection is a perfect representation of her opulent lifestyle, with a jaw-dropping total value of $3,050,000. Her lineup of luxurious vehicles includes an ultra-classy Rolls-Royce Ghost worth $500,000, a performance-oriented Lamborghini Huracan at $300,000, and the iconic Lamborghini Urus, boasting a $600,000 price tag. But the collection doesn't stop there. Kim also owns a refined Mercedes-Maybach S580 valued at $250,000, and a robust Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600, which comes in at $300,000. The reality star's garage is further enhanced by the magnificent Maybach V-Class, costing a cool $400,000, and a rugged Mercedes G-Wagon 4x4 squared with a $300,000 price point. To round out her impressive collection, Kim has a stylish Cadillac Escalade for $150,000 and a luxurious Range Rover Autobiography, setting her back $250,000. All these extravagant vehicles demonstrate Kim Kardashian's penchant for luxury and high-end automotive engineering, making her car collection an inviolable assortment for any enthusiast. Why limit luxury to the road when you can take it to the skies? That's right, Kim Kardashian also owns a private jet, a luxurious Gulfstream G650ER, which is estimated to be worth $150,000. The customized plane features multiple bedrooms, a spacious living area, and even a dining room. Whenever Kim and her family travel, they do so in the utmost style and comfort. Her impressive fleet of vehicles and aircraft truly reflects her status as a billionaire and her taste for the finer things in life. Are you enjoying this glimpse into Kim Kardashian's luxurious life? Don't forget to comment down below on which aspect of her life impresses you the most. And while you're at it, be sure to hit that like button and share this video with fellow Luxies who would love indulging in the glamorous world of the rich and famous. Now, let's get back to the main topic. After retaining her primary Hidden Hills residence following her divorce from Kanye West, Kardashian expanded her real estate portfolio by acquiring a $6.3 million neighboring property. This vintage estate, boasting 4,239 square feet, 4 bedrooms, and 3 bathrooms, needed a serious makeover. Surprisingly, Kardashian chose to flip it back on the market for $7 million just 6 months later. In a 2022 Vogue interview, she revealed 2 exciting projects: a Zen-inspired Palm Springs home designed by the renowned architect Tadao Ando, and a Kengo Kuma-designed lakeside retreat in a secret location. Both architects are known for their innovative and nature-inspired designs, promising unique and luxurious properties for Kardashian. Kardashian's most jaw-dropping purchase, however, was Cindy Crawford's former Malibu residence for a staggering $70.4 million. This beachfront estate, initially listed for $99.5 million, sits on a 3.18-acre lot in the prestigious Encino Bluffs neighborhood. The 7,450 square foot Mediterranean-style villa features wraparound decks, patios, and private path to a secluded beach, a tennis court, a poolside cabana, and a spa and fire pit area with breathtaking ocean views. Kardashian's extravagant purchase not only broke Malibu's record for the highest priced home sale in 2022, but also ranked as the 4th highest in California. No discussion of Kim Kardashian's luxurious lifestyle would be complete without mentioning her extravagant fashion and jewelry collection. As a fashion icon, Kim is known for her bold, trend-setting looks, and her wardrobe is a fashion enthusiast's dream. From designer gowns by Balmain, Versace, and Givenchy to limited edition sneakers and streetwear, her collection is truly diverse and awe-inspiring. Kim's love for luxury also extends to her jewelry collection, which is estimated to be worth millions of dollars. Some of her most iconic pieces include a 20-carat diamond engagement ring from Kanye West, a Cartier Pathway bracelet, and various pieces from Lorraine Schwartz, a favorite jeweler among the stars. Kim's penchant for unique, high-end accessories only adds to her extravagant lifestyle. When it comes to vacations and travel, Kim Kardashian and her family enjoy some of the most luxurious and exotic destinations around the world. From private islands to the Caribbean to opulent ski resorts in Aspen and breathtaking beachfront villas in Mexico, Kim's travel experiences are nothing short of extraordinary. Her trips often include lavish accommodations, exclusive excursions, and the finest dining experiences, creating unforgettable memories for her and her loved ones. And that's it, Luxies! It's a glimpse into the fabulous life of Kim Kardashian in 2023. From her jaw-dropping mansion to her impressive car collection and private jet, it's clear that Kim is living the ultimate luxury lifestyle. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends as well. Make sure to subscribe to Luxury of the Day so you don't miss out on any of our exciting content. Let us know if there's another celebrity's luxurious lifestyle you'd like to explore next. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.